this. See?
Whoa.
Put them in there in one piece. Or try to anyway, without smashing your fingers.
Right. Boom.
That.
Are those actuators?
Actuators.
What are those called?
What, this?
Yeah.
These are shift forks.
Oh, okay.
These are the forks. L and R. The L and the R, left side, right side of the case. So it's where their position is, and you got to make sure you got that right. Where's it at? No, it's in here. I think they wind up being the same height. Close to it. It's right here. That's that one.
Here, let me turn on the space heater.
Turn on this space heater, man.
You'd be alright if I just did this.
Pisses me off, man. Son of a bitch.
Yeah, that's a lot.
They just fell right in where they're supposed to go. Man, that don't ever happen.
Did it ran in?
So, left side, boom. Right. And then right side. Check it out.
Huh?
See?
It's working?
Yeah, it's lined up how it's supposed to be.
Good.
Okay.
Sick. So that's one. Sick.
That's pretty much.
That's all of it.
Everything that has to be in there. See, now here's the reverse. Now watch this. So when you're spinning, see how that moves?
Yeah.
All right, now watch.
And then it'll go in. I see that it'll spin the other way.
It's supposed to.
It was trying to. I think. It's just not very fast.
Well, that's reverse. That's forward.
Yes.
So then you shift this. Shift you bastards. Alright, so
Hit the.
it's got this hole here, but I don't think that goes in there. I think that's.
Huh. And you can't get that sucker in there.
Oh, I can get in there.
Oh.
Just
There
making
you
sure it's right.
There's a lot of gears.
That's the transmission right there, dude.
Wow.
It's, base. I
I
should.
like how, yeah, it's coming together.
I should be able to put this on here, and it should match right up. You know what I mean?
Yes. always gonna be one to fight you. There you go.
So it goes on there. Just gotta make sure I got all my washers and stuff I need on this
Uh-huh.
side. This right here, if it's not lined up like it's supposed to be, in that hole, because it goes back in that groove, because that's a
Ooh,
full jack,
yeah.
dude. So if it's not lined up perfect, which it has to be
Up.
this way, that was that 1/4 inch I couldn't get.
Yeah.
All right, baby. Treat me good, because I'm trying to treat you good. Oh. Don't be a bitch. This is just a little bit off.
Boom.
Yeah, look at that.
Yep.
Woohoo, baby.
Did it.
You can hear it spin.
Even that.
This right
about
here,
these
this
washers?
goes here. This
Them-
goes here.
Yeah.
That's where that goes.
Sick. Should I start this fucking heater again?
Yeah, go ahead. Oh yeah. That's your clutch basket. So, boss. What the hell's a boss, dude? It's not here, and everything I have is in that fucking box. All the little parts.
Are you sure everything's in here?
Everything I took out of this motherfucker's in that box, unless it was big and it was sitting on this bench. That's it.
It wouldn't be in this box?
No, that's from RC. Maybe that fucking dude I got it from, man, just fucking slapped it back together with a bunch of this shit. I don't know.
Weird man.
Fuck!
Yeah.
Like I said, I got that hour meter. You can use that on anything. You can order your light.
Yeah.
Wrap the wire around your spark plug wire.
Oh, sick.
So then, once you start it, it runs, and it tells you how many hours you ran on this. And it has an RPM gauge too. So, I've got my gears and stuff in, got the cases put together temporarily just to make sure I can go through my training gears. So this right here is the clutch basket shaft. You spin that, nothing binding. This is for the transmission gears. Look over here while I spin it. The output shaft for the front sprocket for the drive chain is spinning. So we're in good shape. Oil pump in there, just gotta get the screws in for that. Make sure everything is lined up like it's supposed to be. Make sure I have all my washers. These little washers right here, you gotta make sure you have all of them in place where they go. All your keys, all your half moon keys, all that. If you don't have it, you'll have a problem. Yep, right there. Got this. Take that off. Put this on there. This goes like that. I got that. There you have it. Complete manual. So I'm gonna go through there and make sure all my washers and stuff I need are in place. If I ain't got them, I gotta get them. Because I want this bottom end 100% before I completely button it up for good. Everything I need. Oh, there's the clutch stuff right there. Oh, go back. There we go. So what we've done is I've gotten the training gears in there. I've gotten the cases put back together just temporarily, just to make sure everything works. I can go through all the gears, nothing binds up, crank, everything's good. So oil pump bolts, got to get those. I got to get a keyway for the shift drum right here. This key was missing. They had it Loctited, they didn't have a key in it, so I got to find a key for it somehow. I don't know if they have a key kit or not, but everything is moving like it's supposed to. Nothing's binding up, everything's good. So I'll split the case again to make sure I have all my washers, everything in place, and then I'm gonna get her bolted back together and have the bottom end done. All right, see ya.